Morning in the village starts like any other day. But today, there is a small plan. A simple tool is made first. A sickle is tied tightly to the end of the long bamboo stick. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done. The search begins. Walking through the village paths from one house to another, eyes keep looking up. Lemon trees, mango trees, these are the usual spots. Somewhere among the leaves, a red ant nest is hiding. Once it's found, things move quickly. The bamboo tool is raised, and with a careful cut, the nest is brought down. The moment it hits the ground, everything changes. Ants scatter everywhere. They climb, they bite. It's chaotic for a few seconds. But that's expected. A bucket of water is already kept ready. The fallen nest goes straight into it. Slowly, the ants separate out, floating and moving away, while the eggs begin to settle. It takes time and patience to clean it properly, removing the ants, washing and separating again. Step by step, it becomes usable. Finally, the eggs are ready to cook. No big setup, no complicated process, just simple cooking, the way it's always done. And in the end, it becomes a meal. Something gathered by hand, prepared together and eaten just like that.